Yeah, Lester, I'm not the initiator of Nitro Finance. Like, what we are building is more than a DEX, more than an exchange, a decentralized exchange, more than Uniswap. Is a fusion of DEX and money market, the most capital efficient and optimized DEX. Like, when I say capital efficient, I mean that right now, when using DEXs, you experience a lot of losses due to, as a liquidity provider, you experience a lot of losses due to impermanent loss. But right now, we infused a money market such that your the capital deposited can be used for can be lent out to borrowers for extra yield, thereby mitigating losses and increasing capital efficiency, and also mitigating capital fragmentation. Instead of using multiple platforms, you can just use Nitro to swap and also to access loans, all this kind of stuff. So the home page, like the pool page, where the current screen of John, that's the list of assets we are currently supporting. The list of assets towards minutes will allow people to create pools. They can easily create pools. Right now, we disabled that because of initially when we allowed that, a lot of people started creating some pools like we didn't need. We needed to get results from the existing pools we have because this is a new build, a new kind of approach, a new kind of design in the space. So we need to get results from the existing the pools we are currently monitoring. That's why we disabled that. I think we should head to the trade page.
All right. Trade. There we
Yeah,
go.
trade. So trade page, you can simply swap any token for your desired token. Like we are currently on the unverified tokens. Like switch to verified tokens. Click the yeah. That's the verified tokens. You can swap MON to any tokens on testnet, any verified tokens on testnet, Gmon, APRmon, and every other tokens. You can swap. You can see the swap function. Like click on swap.
Literally instant. It's literally instant.
Yeah, Monad is fast. Like credit to Monad. Monad is fast, super fast. So like that actually helps us a lot with what we are doing. So like for the trade page, simply trade any token for any desired token. Right now, we can only trade tokens listed on Nitro, but we plan on allowing other tokens by aggregating other DEXs, like making it the superior pricing platform. Like it's not like we're building an aggregator, but integrating it helps so that you can easily swap other tokens on other DEXs, even on Kuru, on Beandex, and every other DEXs on Monad. I can't list all. Then another function of Nitro that is very interesting is the like I said, we are the fusion of DEX and money market. Another function that is very interesting is borrowing. John, can you go back to the pool page?
Yep.
Yeah. Like so, in order to access loans or in order to borrow from Nitro, you have to search for the desired pool. Let's say that we are searching for one USDC pool. Search for one USDC pool. It should be towards the should I say end? Like just scroll up, or you can use the search bar and search for Mon. Yeah, just search for Mon. It will yeah. Then look for Mon USDC pool. Just scroll up. Mon
Oh,
USDC pool.
oh yes.
Just scroll up. Yeah. Like that's the Mon USDC pool. Go to analytics. Analytics. Yeah.
I tell you,
Like that's directly beside add liquidity. Directly beside it. Go to analytics.
I've never really added liquidity before, so I don't know if I'm doing this right, but I'm just gonna add
You
this.
know, like I was trying to go through the pages before going through the process of adding liquidity, but like let's go on with that. So adding liquidity on Nitro, just like how you provide liquidity on most dexes and earning fees. Like the advantage of doing that on Nitro is that you earn both the normal trading fee, swap fee, and you also earn the money market fees. So, John, you have to add liquidity. To add liquidity, just enter an amount. That's the simple mode. So it autofills the desired asset. Enter MO. Yeah. Then you can proceed to add liquidity. Yeah. Click on that button. Right. Preview. Then that's the state of the liquidity position, like the already estimated position. Then add liquidity. Click on the add button.
All right. Confirm the transaction, and oh, looks like we're
Yeah.
live.
Yeah, go to liquidity positions to view your already added liquidity on the navigation bar.
Very simple. Oh, there we go. It's right there.
Yeah, so that's the liquidity position you added. So right now you can easily earn fees from both trading, the normal token swap, and the lending and borrowing like fees. You can easily earn fees regardless of where your position is. Especially if it is inactive, you can easily earn fees on Nitro when you add liquidity. That's for Nitro points system. Let's try out borrowing, which is like the main unique value proposition of Nitro, like the let's say the technical add-on of Nitro, what we are currently like building towards. Yeah, that's it. So first of all, John, towards the right hand side, you can see the loan to value setup. Yeah, towards the right hand side, that's the loan to value setup means that you are setting up the current like estimated loan to value, your expected loan to value, the expected value you want for the collateralized assets. So right now we'll select that should be 95. Select 95 to 75. Select 95. Yeah, 95 to 75. What this means is that like for every $1 of mon provided, you can access 0.95 to 0.975 USD value. For every one USD mon collateralized, you can access up to that amount currently from that particular loan to value range. That's what is currently happening here, and this is built into the DEX. So what you're accessing is liquidity added to the DEX for trading, but now we are allocating it to money market for extra yield. So John, enter a value and go on with the borrowing. Enter a value, a month value.
All right.
Like, what is the output USDC?
360.
Yeah, go ahead, preview.
All right. There we go.
So that's the setup. Then you can click on borrow, just borrow. Like that's the current setup. Yeah.
Confirm. All right.
Then go to navigation bar, the depth positions. You see your depth position.
Wait. No shit. There it is.
So that's the depth position that he just created right now. So he used up to how many more was that? I can't see your screen. So he used whatever amount of money he used to access liquidity, to access USDC. Right now, the USDC he borrowed is currently in his wallet. He borrowed USDC from Nitro, paying a one-time fee to the liquidity providers, earning extra yield for the liquidity providers. You can click on the debt position to see the summary of the debt. Click on the debt position. Yeah, like this is the state of the debt position, right? The countdown is to the time of expiry whenever the debt is going to expire, because it's a short-term debt, not a long-term debt. Unlike AVE or compound, this is a short-term debt, a 7 days debt. The countdown is to the time of expiry, so you have to repay before expiration. If not, we'll absorb it into the pool. That's how our auto liquidation mechanics work. We absorb the debt into the pool in order to refund the liquidity providers and internalize the liquidation bonus. So there is no need for liquidators. We just absorb expired debts into the pool. So to gain extra yield from liquidation bonus. What else are we missing out? What else are we missing out? I'm just trying to run this down. So basically, from all you have seen, Nitro is a kind of a capital efficient DEX fusing AMM and the money market, like the absolute fusion of AMM and money market, meaning that anybody using Nitro can trade and also borrow capital. Borrowing capital here works as if you are trying to buy such capital at a lower trade your token at a lower price, or sell your token at a lower price, or buy at a higher price than the estimated market value. So that's the value proposition to liquidity providers: optimized liquidity positions, simplified liquidity management, and yeah, more yield. And for borrowers, what we offer to borrowers especially is that there is no liquidation on debt. What we just do is expiration, just repay before expiry. It doesn't your debt is not liquidated before expiration, and then you're allowed to borrow at any range, expected range, any capital. So it's not like a fixed rate market it's not as fixed as or as rigid as AVE, borrowing from AVE or any other platform. Like platforms, it's not as rigid as that. Here you can access at whatever range at an estimated value. That's where you select the loan characterization factor, which give you access to the estimated amount you want, the exact value you want, if the liquidity is available on Nitro. That's what is happening here.
This is
Yeah,
great.
All right.
like
This looks incredible.
that's basically it. I don't know if there's any question. Like, I will love to take on any questions, any confusion, and everything.
Do you have any campaigns or initiatives going on or about to happen in the near future?
No, right now, like, no, not exactly. We are currently working with some products, just partnering with some protocols on Monad to list their assets, like using it to like looking at the stats to get results and estimate where we are going wrong, like a lot of things. Like, we are looking into feedbacks, a lot of feedbacks from the community, because the major problem with Nitro right now is some of the like earning points and every other stuff is quite gas intensive right now. So, like, we are still looking at ways to optimize it further to make it the best DeFi product on Monad. Like, we are all in for DeFi. Like, DeFi is fun, so we are building towards that end. Like, we are all in for DeFi. So, like, if you, like, we plan in the near future, we'll have a lot of campaigns. Right now, we are working on a lot of ways to get users to the platform, get feedbacks and implement, because I think since testnet Nitro, we have come a long way. This was not the this was not how Nitro was looking like initially during the first week of testnet. Users feedback and Monad testnet actually helped us a lot. We changed a lot of stuff, making the UI look simpler and easier. We are still looking forward to more feedbacks to optimize further for further optimization and improvements from our end.
Awesome. Okay, Natna, I want to thank you. I want to thank you for being here. Can we pull up the Twitter just so everyone knows where to follow you guys to keep updated with all the
Yeah,
awesome stuff?
Yeah, yeah.
John, my assistant. Sorry for that.
There we
Yeah,
go.
Nitro. Nitro Finance at Nitro Finance on Twitter. Nitro Finance on Twitter. Just get us to 100K followers, and we
Okay.
surely deliver.
All right, not. I want to thank you and thanks to John for helping out here. Yeah, awesome. John, all right, not. Thank you again. Moving forward,
Yeah,
John.
thanks for the
Um,
opportunity. Thanks for the opportunity.
John, we can all still see your screen.
Oh,
Just
shit.
yeah,
Shit.
yeah, yeah. Okay.
John, thank you too. Thank you for helping me out with the screen sharing. Thank you for helping me out.
It was nothing but a privilege and a pleasure, and it is my honor, not. And you could share my screen anytime.
No, I don't want to do that.
All right, all
Okay.
right.